So today you're running out of time to post a new video on YouTube. Well, I have a solution for you and it's gonna make YouTube love you as much as a video. So you're just gonna create a new playlist and I'm gonna show you right now how it's gonna help you in your YouTube ranking. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so right now I'm sharing my screen with you guys and I'm in my YouTube studio and I'm in the playlist. So I've learned this little trick from vidIQ. I don't know if you know vidIQ, but it's a really nice tool to have for your YouTube. It's going to analyze everything, your SEO, so search engine optimization, and I receive their newsletter all the time and it's really useful. So they taught me at a stage of my life when I was really low into inspiration to make new YouTube videos. So I was just like, oh my god, what am I gonna post today? And they just said you can just put a new playlist out there and it's gonna play with your YouTube ranking. So that's what we're gonna do today. So you go into your playlist. You see I have a couple of playlists. I couldn't have really much more, but I decided to post more videos. So today we're gonna just make a new playlist. So it's gonna be called Have More YouTube Views. Let's say that. It's gonna be public and we're gonna create that. And we're gonna edit in YouTube. And here, as soon as you're going to put more and more videos in that playlist, you're going to have videos on the right, and here you're going to have the last video that you've posted. But most important is that when you create a new playlist, you have to just put some words, put some great content into the description of your playlist, so YouTube will find you and will just say, oh, there's new content about how to have more views on YouTube. Let's go see that channel and suggest it to other people. So that's the main thing about how to do playlists. So that's the main thing that what creating new playlists are going to give to you. So in the description here, you see you have 5,000 words, so you can cite 5,000 characters, so you can write like a whole book if you want, but most of the time I keep it really short, but I think it would be good to have 200 to 300 words to just make sure that you have enough keywords into that. So you can think about every little keywords that you can think about with YouTube views, and we're not going to do it right now because I don't want to start writing and be boring with you, but the most important thing is that in the description here, make sure that you put great keywords. You can go see on YouTube if people have there's so many videos about how to have more YouTube views on YouTube. So go see what keywords they've put in their description and just copy and paste it there. So, and write a nice text about it. So you're gonna really improve your SEO with YouTube, and it's really gonna help you getting more views. So that's how you do this, guys. So I'm just coming back here as a huge person, not just a little square at the corner. So I'm going to put a link below for different tools. If you want to use my tools for your to improve your online business, it will be really a pleasure to help you. And if you like that video, please give me some likes, give me some comments. I always reply to all my comments because I really love these, and it really encouraged me to keep going into my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel is all about helping people growing their online business and grow out there and getting known by people. So don't forget to subscribe, click on that little bell, give me some likes, give me some comments, and I'll see you in another video. Okay? Ciao. Have a good day.